Okay, so you've decided that you want to try remote support to fix your computer, or need your computer repaired remotely, and you've landed on our video. If you haven't been to our site yet, you can click on the link below the video and it'll take you to what you're seeing here on the screen. You can get a better feel for how remote support works and look at the pricing page and see what it will cost you to repair your computer. So if you're seeing the link down on the bottom, it should say remotepcservicessupport.com. Click on that link or just type it into your address bar. Get to our site and you'll find all kinds of information on remote support and how it works. Navigate through our site, check out the various pieces of information, all kinds of articles on here. We've got remote access news, all kinds of information that's going to help you out to understand exactly what we're going to do. These are going to be secure connections to your PC to get it fixed. You're going to authorize that connection and you're going to be able to watch exactly as the technician works through. This is the same as if the technician came to your house to do the service and you watch them do it, but they do it remotely. Now what we're going to do is we're going to check out the services up here and let's take a look at the pricing and what's involved with signing up. So you're going to come in, you'll see that there's several different plans that you can do. Now we've got a couple different per incident plans. The first one, depending on whether you're just doing a sign up on a PC or a Mac and the services that are provided there, or if you've also got a limited PC support, those are either the $39.95 or the $69.95 program. We also have a couple of different yearly programs that you can do as well, whether you're doing one PC or two PCs. So if we scroll down through here, you'll see if we're doing virus or spyware removal, system tune-up and repairs, printer networks, all kinds of different information that you can get access to depending on which program you want to do. Now if you're ready to do one of these, all you need to do is click on the sign up, and this will take you over to the sign up screen where you can go through and sign up and get ready to go with the support. Now once that support is ready to go and you get chatting with the person online who's going to be fixing your computer, they're going to ask for a secure connection to your machine. And once you authorize that, they're going to start running the service. So I'm going to go ahead and get that set up. Hold on just one moment while I get that going. So I've got the chat brought up. The agent's going to come on here and then we're going to start talking and we're going to get them to start working on a virus program that I accidentally got loaded on this machine. And then I'm going to have them walk me through those steps. So let's watch them do those steps.